Hello, first grade. Strategy to solve subtraction story problems. So we're gonna have like a story, and then we need to use the same strategy, making 10, then subtract. So let's see. Maria has 15 apples. So let's write down there. She has 15 apples. Okay. She uses, how many she uses? Say she uses 7 to make apple pie. So she has 15 apples. She uses 7 to make apple pie. So we need to use a strategy that we used in a previous lesson. Making 10 help us to subtract. So I'm going to use my counters and I'm going to use my 10 frame. So my total number 15. So I'm going to fill 10 frame, the first one. And how many I need to put for the 10 frame? Yes, 1 row, because I know each row get 5, and this might double. So 5 plus 5, 10. So this is my 10 frame, the first one. Then I'm adding the other 5. So now my total 15s, I had the 15. All right. So now I need to make 10. In order to make 10, what do I need to do? 15 take away 5, right? So I'm gonna take away the 5. Now I have the 10 frames. All right, my total number is 7. I need to take away 7. I had 15 apples. Maria has 15 apples, and she uses only 7 for her apple pie. So I put away 5. How many do I need to add to get the 7 that she uses for the apple pie? 5. I need 2 more to make 7, right? So I'm gonna take 2 more. So this is the 7 that Maria uses for her apple pie. How many I have? I have 5, first row 5, then 3. So 5 and 3 equal 8. Very good. All right. Second question. Let's see. Maria have, for example, 13 stickers. So I'm gonna be 13 stickers. She gave away 6. So I need to put my 13 stickers or my 13 counters. So 10 and 3 more. So this is my 13 counters or 13 sticker that Maria has. She gave away 6. You know, since we are making 10 to subtract, so I need to make 10 first. So how to make 10? I take these extra counters and put them on the side. Now I have 10. So when I took this 3 extra, I took them from the 6. So if I take 6, take away 3, how many left? 3. So I need to take 3 more, right? So now this is the 6 that Maria uses, or give it away the sticker. 2, 4, 6. How many she has left? Very good. 7, because I have 1 row 5 and 2 more. All right. Let's say Tom has 14 coloring books. 14. So I need to make 14. And let me pick the 14 first. 10. And then 4 more make 14. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. So Tom has 14 coloring books. He gave away 5. So he had 14, he gave away 5. I have to make 10 because that's the lesson I'm talking about. This is a new strategy we're learning today or for this unit. So take away 5. First, I have to make 10. So I'm gonna make 10 by taking all the extra. So now I have the 10 frame, I have 10. How many he has to give away? How many coloring book did he give away? 5. I took away 4. How many do I need to take to make 5? How many? 1 more. Very good. So here the 5 that Tom gave him away, the coloring book. So how many coloring book Tom have left? 5 and 4. First row is full, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9. So 14 take away 5 equals 9. All right, let's have one more. Let's say 11. So we're gonna have Ali has 11 kites. Okay, so he had 11 kites. So let me write this down. All right. He shared with to have 10. So this is the extra one. I'm gonna put it on the side. This is the original number. This is the number I need to take away. I took 1 from the 8, so this 8 became now very good 7. So I need to take 7 away from here. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put them all on the side. So how many I have? 3. So 11 take away 8 equals 3. All right. I have another way I wanna show it to you. We explained it before, so later on you're gonna have the choice to use any number. Okay, 11 take away 8. So what I'm gonna do, I wanna put this on the side, right? And now let's take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember this one? I kept it on the side. I want to return it back because I just put it on the side. I didn't use it. So what's my answer? 3. Or right away, you take 8 counters from the 11. So you count 8 and then take them away, and that you have. But because this lesson you need to make 10 to subtract, so we need to follow the strategy that you need to have 10 and then take the rest from the original number. All right? All right, let's turn the page and let's read the explanation and do the guided practice. All right. Rosa sees 14 bugs. Then 6 bugs fly away. How many bugs are left? So total 14, take away 6. Remember in the beginning when we were like in the beginning of the school year, we used to have like 14, then x6 means take away 6 and you have your answer. But this is new strategy, more sophisticated and more for bigger boys and girls. So you can use counters and 10 frames to help you subtract. So this is your 14. So you get your counters and you put your 14. You get your 2 10 frames and you put your 14s. And then what we're gonna do, next step, make a 10 to help you subtract because we did this for addition and it was helpful. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take away what's extra than 10. So we X the 4 counters that we colored, or the 4 boxes that we colored in the 10 frame. So now we have 10. Remember, 6 flew away. We took 4. So how many left from the 6? 2. Awesome. Now I need to take 2 more away. So now let's count how many bugs left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my original question was 14 take away 6. Here's 14 take away 6. And how many I have left? 8 bugs. Okay. Let's do guided practice, page 210. Make a 10 to solve. Write a subtraction sentence. So remember, this is like the previous lesson, but over here we're using subtraction sentence. We have like a story problem, then we need to do our subtraction. You still have to make 10 and do the rest of your subtractions. So there are, number one, there are 15 toy boats on the pond. 9 toy boats float away. So total 15 toy boats on the pond. 9 toy boats float away. How many toy boats are left? So 15, take away 9. First step, you make 10. So you put the 5 on a side, and then your whole number, the whole number that you need to subtract is 9. So now you took 5. How many number left from the 9? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you x 4 more, and then count how much left for you. Leah has 12 blocks. So she has 12 blocks. I need to put this down. 12 blocks. She gives Tim 7 blocks. So she gave away 7 to build a tower. How many blocks does Leah have left? So total 12. I need to make 10. So first I'm gonna take away 2. Now I have 10 frame, right? But these 2, I take them from the 7. So how many left from the 7 when I take 2 away? 5. Very good. Now I need to take away 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many blocks Leah have now? 1 row, which is 5. Very good. All right, let's do you understand? How can you find the difference in a subtraction story? Difference mean like your subtraction, how can you find your answer here? So how can you find this difference in a subtraction story? Well, how did we make it? You make the 10 to subtract, and I can use counters or I can draw pictures, right? That's helpful. Another helpful way to use your counters or draw pictures. So I'm gonna write this down. I'm gonna make first. So I'm gonna make a 10, because that's what we're learning today. To subtract what I have. Right? Then what I'm using, I can use counters, or I can draw pictures, or draw pictures.
Hello.
All right, so I make 10, I use my counters and draw pictures. All right, number 3, page 211. Make a 10 to solve. Write a subtraction sentence. So I have my 2 10 frames. There are 13 kites in the sky. Then 5 kites fly away. How many kites are left? So this is my 2 10 frames. You can draw one like mine here and use whatever you have, stickers, cubes, counters, or use your pencils and use what you have on your page. So what I'm gonna write first, I have to make 10. So I'm gonna X my 3 counters. Now I have 10. I need to take away 5. I already took away 3 from there. So how many left? Very good, 2 more. I'm gonna X 2 more. And now let me count how many counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 13, take away 5 equals 8. Very good. Number 4, Marcus has 16 markers. He lends 6 markers to Ray. How many markers does Marcus have left? I need to first write my subtraction sentence. So I have 16 and Marcus lends 7 to his friend, so take away 7. And now I'm using the making 10 to help me subtract. So first I need to have 10. I'm gonna X all the extra, which is 6. Yes. What was my original number? 7. So 7, if I take away 6 from 7, how many left? 1. Here is not 1 that left. I exit. Now count how many I have up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and in the bottom 4. 5 plus 4, I know this, 9. So 16 take away 7 equals 9. All right, number 5, write the missing number. I have 2 questions. 5 and 6 are the same. 17 take away something equals 9. So I need to look for the number, the missing number. I have my whole number and I have 1 added. So if I used my box up there, a whole number 17, one part I know 9, so I'm gonna draw 9 circles. Now I'm looking for the missing part. So 17 take away 9 to get that missing part. So after 9, I'm gonna draw different, use different marker. So 17 take away 9, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now count how many circles did I draw now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 17 take away 8 equals 9, or 17 take away 9 equals 8. All right. Number 6. Now I know 2 parts, but I'm missing the whole number. So I'm gonna draw my box here, and I have one part, but I don't know my total number. So let's draw 9 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the second part be the same. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 and 9. What do you think my whole number? If we go for the double, so double 9 is awesome, 18. So over here, if I said 18 take away this part, I'm gonna have this part. So 18 take away 9 equals 9. Let's stay on the page and do number 7, page 212. Mia sees 14 frogs in a pond. 7 hop away. How many frogs are left in the pond? Make a 10 to solve. Write a number sentence. So first, I need to write the number sentence I have there. 14 take away 7. I know we covered the doubles, and I know you're gonna say right away 7, but you need to use that new strategy to make 10. So I'm gonna first X all the extra counters to have 10. So how many? 4. How many left from the 7? 3. X 3 more. And now let's count. I know first row 5, 5, and 2, 5 plus 2, 7. So 14 take away 7 equals 7. So there are 7 frogs left in the pond. Okay, number 8. There are 11 mice in the field. 4 mice run away. How many mice are left in the field? So total 11, 4 run away, right? So how many left? We can have many ways to answer this question. We can draw it. We can X 4 right away and count how many left. And we can make 10 and use the 10 frame. So if you're gonna make the 10, maybe you need to have another piece of paper to draw it on a side, or if you wanna using the picture you have, only x4 right away and count how many mice left. So let's see, is it 11 minus 4 equals 7? 11 minus 7 equals 4? 12 minus 4 equals 8? 12 minus 8 equals 4. Well, if I read the story again, I will see there are 11 mice, so my whole number is 11, so definitely these two. And 4 mice run away, that's mean 11 take away 4, so 11 take away 4, this is my right one. All right, number 9, write a story for the subtraction sentence. Use pictures, numbers, or words, then solve your problem. So you can do the 10 frames like there and then put your answer. So let's use a 10 frame. Gonna build them next to each other, or let me put them on top of each other, because we'll be using this way, so it's gonna be easy for you to find your answer. You don't need to get confused. All right, so let's draw 2 10 frame. And then with 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, first 10, then 3 more to make 13, right? And then take away 6, so I know I need to make 10, so I'm gonna take the 3 from here, from the second 10 frames to have only 10. This 3, if I take them away from the 6, how many left? 3 more, so let me X 3 more. 1, 2, 3. How many I have left? 5 and 2. So 5 and 2 equals 7. So 13 take away 6 equals 7. All right, that's it. So this was not new or different. It's just that more exercise, but for this we were using problem. So you have the words, you need to think, to find out what do we need to do. You make the 10 and then you subtract. So we use counters, you can use stickers, you can use crayons, you can use cubes, anything to help you to make the 10 and do the rest of your subtraction. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.